A used Mercedes-Benz G-Class
Okay.
in April of 2021. How much more was it worth in April of 2022?
And what? How much it went up? Probably went up
10,000.
about 15 to 20 grand.
That's like 10.
$71,586.
Huh?
Makes sense.
$71,586. A Hyundai Sonata Hybrid.
Hold on. It went an additional 71,000
was
or
worth
100.
it was 71 grand worth. It was worth 71 grand more in April of this year than of April of last year.
What?
See, I've got data here that you guys can use with your customers. First
That's
of
why
all,
my property tax keep going up.
well, let me ask you this: if you had a $20,000 used car in April of 2021, it doesn't matter what the car was or truck. If you had it and it was worth 20 grand, what was it worth in 2022?
Oh, it's
1 year
more
later.
than that.
With 15,000 additional miles on it, it was worth $6,000 more. Okay? A Hyundai Sonata Hybrid went up 10 grand, 64% in 1 year. Kia Rio, Nissan Leaf, Chevrolet Spark, G-Class, Toyota Prius, Kia Forte, Kia Soul, Tesla, even a Mitsubishi Mirage went up. Exactly. I don't even know what they look like.
What's it called? Pontiac's probably going up right now too.
What's that?
The car you asked about earlier?
Pontiac?
Yeah, they're probably going up too.
Well, yeah. It's called supply and demand. They don't even make them anymore.
I'll make a minute.
I'm going to give you all this. If I were you, I'd get it laminated.
Yeah.
Okay? Hatchbacks went up 38% year over year, 21 to 22. Wagons went up 38, sedans 36, convertibles 34. Again, average used car went up 30%.
Yeah.